Good morning, Flosstube. Oh my goodness, what a week. This is just me today. I'm trying to get better in front of the camera because I get so scared when I'm in front of it, and I have to remember you guys are my friends and we're all in this together. So hopefully by episode 21 I'll be yakety yak or something, you know. I've had a busy week this week. I've been prepping for the freezer. It's almost fall and I love fall, so I like to have everything stocked in my freezer. Oh, and by the way, not to sidetrack, but the background music is Abby snoring. At least she's snoring and not barking like she was when I started recording the first time. But I have ulcerative colitis, so there's days that I sometimes don't even get out of bed, you know, and things like that, and I want to make sure he has food to eat and things like that. So I've made spaghetti sauce, soups, and tonight I'm going to make some little cheddar meatloaves, and I just pop things in the freezer to have on hand, things like that. And if that wasn't enough, I decided that my whole house needs reorganized. So I'm washing everything in my closet, and thank God I'm not a clothes horse, so I don't have that many clothes. But that is, sorry, Abby is distracting me. I love that dog though. So my house is trashed. It's driving me nuts. I invited my niece over for dinner tonight, so it'll whip me in fast forward mode and I'll quit stitching. Not. Anyway, I've been busy with my shop. I am going to order a Lowry stand today, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I'm hoping that helps with my Heaven and Earth designs, because I really want to get working on it. Not that I'm ever going to finish it, but anyway. I didn't get much haul this week. Oh, but Keepsakes called. I was so excited to get that call. When I was there, oh my goodness, I can't even remember when we went. June? I ordered some patterns, and they just came in. Well, I had called Stephanie last week and ordered some primitive hair things. And so anyway, when I got this phone call, they said I could wait until October when we go on my granddaughter's fall break. So I'm so excited. I know this is silly, but I'm just that type of sentimental, crazy person. I have a bag at Keepsakes with my name on it, with my patterns, waiting for me to come pick them up in October. So hopefully, I don't know what primitive hair ones. I ordered several, King Henry VIII and things like that, but I'm not familiar with what's still in print. So we'll see what I get from that. So no haul, but there's haul waiting for me in Ohio. Excuse me. My husband stole my Q-snap, and I got on him about that, teasingly, you know. So he ordered me a Q-snap. So that's my haul. It came, surprised me. So anyway, I was wanting to read this poem to you. Or the song, I guess. I keep sharing this and I never read it, and I love it. It's the Nantucket Girls song. Then I'll haste to wed a sailor and send him off to sea, for a life of independence is the pleasant life for me. But every now and then I shall like to see his face, for it always seems to me to beam with manly grace. With his brow so nobly open, and his dark and kindly eye, oh, my heart beats fondly towards him whenever he is nigh. But when he says, goodbye, my love, I'm off across the sea, first I'll cry for his departure, then I'll laugh because I'm free. I love that. I love that. So anyway, this whale in this words right here, I finished up. Then I decided I should work on the house, so I stopped there. And I did a little bit of work on Rodney. Crinkle, crinkle. Okay, so you see the carrots. I changed the color of the carrots. Oops, Weeks Dye Works Clockwork. And then I am just, instead of switching them off and on, I just used the variegated. And for Rodney, I'm using gunmetal. Is that backwards to you? It's backwards to me. I hope it's not to you. Anyway. And then my last one, and you know this is giving me my anxiety like crazy, and I'm joining several stitch-alongs, and I don't know how I'm going to do it. I'm going to have to up my meds? No, just kidding. The Halloween March by Teresa Kogut. See? Told you, Gina-isms. Anyway, it's sponsored by the Cottage Needle, and Cheryl at Tranquil Stitches is doing it. It's adorable. It's old-fashioned type thing. I'm waiting for it to come in or I'll show it to you. It's on back order. And so I'm doing that one, and I'm doing the one with Jeannie Schwartz. Oh God, I'm so sorry. I just need to quit with the names. In the Huckran Hollow. What other one am I doing? I think I signed up for another one. I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, we'll see how I cope with all those. I don't know how y'all do it with the 40 and plus some. I would have to I would have to take a vacation somewhere and just lock myself up in a room or outside on the beach or something and stitch until it was done. It's driving me nuts with the Hades. Okay, sorry, tangent. Prairie Schooler, Santa, and I changed his coat to Cherry Cobbler. I hope I get this done this week. Sitting there staring out in space, and then I'm like, oh, okay, you're recording. Anyway. That's it. I know my videos are short, but I live a simple life, and that's about it. Anyway, I'm going to get off of here and continue laundry, and I gotta start baking. Lots of stuff for my niece. So, have a good week. Bye, guys. Oh, wait. I lie. I wanted to say, I can't name you all because I didn't write it down, and I don't want to leave anyone out. But really, thank you for all the nice comments. It really means a lot to me. And I am slowly getting more comfortable in front of this camera, so hopefully my true personality, although you may not like it because I'm I'm a little nuts. Anyway, okay, see you guys. Maybe.